I don't have time to talk. I somehow am always late. Oh, me and the booty workout I'm gonna go do. Now I got that dopamine song. If you watch Teen Wolf, you know. You guys, I'm dead after that one. It was like all squats and lunges. As I was leaving the gym, the personal trainer yelled at me and he was like, "You're getting stronger." And I was like, "Yeah." And then I walked out and this girl came out after me and she was like, "He's never told me that I was getting stronger, so you should be really proud of yourself for that." I was like, ah, fuck yeah. That is what I want to hear. I just have peanut butter and jelly overnight oats with blueberries on top. It's my favorite thing ever. I've eaten this every single day for like the last 3 weeks. Willow, you cozy? Willow takes our socks constantly and I just find them everywhere and I'm always missing one sock. I have just made the very last minute decision that I think I'm gonna go to IKEA today. Evan's been having really bad allergies at night lately and I think it's our new, well, he thinks it's our new bedding. Not actually new, but I got it like last spring. Apparently he's been sneezing ever since then. And the last duvet cover we had was from IKEA. It was just like 100% cotton, so he was fine with that one, so I'm gonna do that. I also switched like our mattress protector last spring too, and I just got everything from HomeSense. So I'm gonna go to IKEA. And then I'm looking for more of those little overnight oat jars that I got at HomeSense. And they have none at the HomeSense out here or the Winner, so I'll probably pop into the one near IKEA. I was gonna sit down and like plan our engagement party, but I'm having a girls' night tonight with Nikki and Lauren and they're gonna help us plan, and I don't really actually need to plan anything yet. Like I don't need to do it today because I'm still waiting for photographers to email me back, and if they haven't emailed me back I can't do any planning, and therefore I'll just be sitting at home all day. And Willow needs some enrichment, so she's never been to IKEA. She has been to many HomeSenses. I bet you she's been to more HomeSenses than like every other dog combined, because one time last spring when I bought the new bedding, Evan was away and I had my eyes on this one little quilt that I was like hyper fixated on. I needed that quilt and I never found it. I don't even think I'd seen one. It was just in my mind that I was like, if I ever find one like this, I'm gonna get it. And Evan was away and I was bored, so I drove to like 10 HomeSenses in one day all over the lower mainland. Oh, and I didn't find the quilt because it was made up in my mind. Do you want to try and find like some serving trays, like some silver or crystal serving trays for the engagement party, food and stuff, and maybe like a bunch of little like tiny jars that I can put little flowers in? But yeah, I need to wait for the photographers. I've emailed so many, so I really need to sit down and like rank the ones I like the best, and then also write down what they charge, what their availability is, and then I'm waiting on our like wedding venue, but it's not even gonna be like, it won't be a big wedding, it's literally gonna be like the tiniest little thing. Family only, walk down an aisle, get married, take photos. That's that. The engagement party is gonna be the fun part. I guess the ceremony will be fun too, but like the planning of the engagement party is more fun. Patiently waiting for me to leave the house. Are you ready to go? You all excited? I lifted everything off the floor and I'm mapping the house with the robot vacuum. So we're gonna leave. I think this is the kind of chair I want in the library. Kind of comfy, kind of hard. It's big. I think I like this one. Are you serious? They don't have any kings? Oh, baby. I'm not seeing it, but I would love striped king pillowcases. Like I want these stripes in just pillowcases. I'm gonna sit down and have some lunch. I'm just having a teriyaki bowl. And then I might watch a show. I don't really know what to watch yet though, because I finished Heated Rivalry. And if you've seen that, I feel like every single Netflix show lately, I know it's not a Netflix show, but like the newer series only have 8 episodes. So I was expecting 8 episodes. And I was sat on episode 6 and I was like, oh my gosh, I can't wait for the next one. Nope, 6 episodes. Extremely saddening, because now I need the next season right away. 10 out of 10 experience.